in the streets and
The following episode consists of the use of inappropriate language. All views and opinions held in this episode are not those of the industry Temkaqweni, but those of the participants.
Issue nanzo gay untitlele wena motho motle molatedi motsietsi morati wa kgwele ya dinao o khopole di tap on the TKC ga o ratile ke ditweba ke makgotlo a maroto khopole ba bediwa ka the TKC the Killer Combo o khopole ba bediwa ka it's our first episode down the line with the TKC
#telamlungu
khopole ga o ratile #telamlungu
uyabona wena JT Dladla namhlanje our first guest of the show JT Dladla
yeah khopole we have an exclusive interview with Tuti Macheke
usomaqhutswa seRome
khopole ga o ratile the Roman Empire Pushy Peshe
yoba ifestival yamadolo
khopole Pushy kha ke baneletsa the insides of the podcast Pushy Peshe obviously re tla be re qofosa re tsena thata deep benekant by the haze Pushy Peshe will be unfolding kasi stories kasi football stories to be precise Pushy Peshe tla be re ntsha di fixture ki guide tla be re ntsha di results gore mang o jiwe ke mang kae le bomanga wa utlwa he Pushy Peshe
uyabona wena mphokeli wami General Tuti Macheke akayisholo yena
awabadumedise ntatwa ka wadumedise o ba botse re wena o manga o tswa kae jwang ba ska re ke o buella ntatwa ka amelia o tsware ntatwa ka
so bafethu ayigama lami nguTuti ngibuya eSoweto ngihlala eShawela ngila eRiver Park egroundini ongibiza ngoMadonosa Tuti Macheke
wabakubiza ngoMadonosa
ngoba ngiphasa kanje ngidingisile
uliphasa udinisile
ngibhekile
okanye
yabo
mlibe hayi danko sebazwele babukile emakhaya in the studio today Renalen Tata Telagufa Scotch Never Dies. Obviously Pushy, we're going to have an exclusive interview with him. Wantola Utiak.
Okay, JT Dladla, for a quick second, DJ, outing it is sharing to our Geek Guide Corner.
Yeah,
well, guy, I'm a fixture. Yeah, we'll take you this week.
Yeah.
Jengoba na uthotha ku Cape to Cairo tournament abhekane neFire Snipers this coming weekend. River Park idlala ne Fire Snipers.
Ivare thothile uyangishasha lo.
Hayi bar sidlala Sunday now.
Ngubani isikhathi?
Ithembisa.
I-third game.
Third game.
Yeah.
Khanika. Okay, Fire Snipers.
So uke wahlangana nabo labantu Fire Snipers.
So we first day ngihlangana nabo.
You
sazi ngahlangana leyathi.
At first meet Cape to Cairo tournament.
Yeah, khopole Pushy we was also Lerena le bona ka Rako Zega 45 and then the tournament was postponed due to unforeseen circumstances. So le nna kha ke so ba commentator le Fire Snipers. I'm with you on that one too. So are you prepared?
Yeah, sihlomile thi.
Stimela samashanga.
Stimela samampondo.
Hahambe nabo Pushy hamba.
Yeah, JT Dladla, so on our next fixtures sine Tembisa World Cup ngale eCanada. Like the store by now yazi Canada.
Imagine sekuyi last ban ngaramo.
Last 32 fixtures angeke ngishaye fixture yonke, so we have iRiver Park idlala neBootless. Bootless
Coxless or Bootless.
Hayi uyazi na Foot Industrial.
It's the name of the team. Uyabayazi wena
mhlawumbe ukuthi uyabazi.
Angibaqala la ngizobona iground. Sunday.
Usenkingeni muswena ubhekana nabantu abangayazi. Mawubona bayakwazi.
Obvious bayangazi.
Nami ngiyakwazi. Papa nabo futhi.
Okay, so we have iShawela Derby JT Dladla. Tricky Boys up against iMudagasi.
Kuphi?
eCanada JT Dladla Tembisa World Cup.
Okay.
That's where River Park idlala nama Bootlesses.
Okay.
Tricky Boys versus Mudagasi.
Okay.
The Chopper Boys Skepenketule versus Sizanani.
Okay.
Fixing nayo for today for iCanada.
Okay.
World Cup tournament.
Okay.
So ukuya phambili Tuti Macheke Disco Games you were up against i-Fighters. Kwenzakaleni la uthiyami? Game niluza kanjani? Hayi. Manje ngabe nidlala last 4 I think this week ne? Yeah.
Against bebadlala up against Fighters.
Up against the Fighters.
Disco Games.
Disco Games, famous D ground.
Okay, akasixoxele ukuthi udla bobani, udliwa bobani.
Hey, lapha ayish amajita bengekho ground.
Yeah.
Beshoda nyana mara sayincenge groundini sadlala. Fortunately ayish sapeseka ngama penalty.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And nenkundla kala yasinayo ish manje muzidliwa ngama penalty.
Ngiyayazi kaSlane famous D.
Basiwe.
Bayandithanda labantwana ngala famous D.
Amara soyilungisa.
Uzoyilungisa baba.
Soyilungisa.
Ngiyathemba. Push
Okay, JD Dlala.
Yeah.
And then good Disco Games, we have Elas 4.
Okay.
Which is Elas 5. Because iBayern nebeke game yabo ayikapheli.
Okay.
You understand? So we have Ifu State Vultures up against the Rock.
Okay.
Simnandi Sashisa up against iBayern or Ibeke.
Okay, positive.
So moving right along.
Positive.
Zega 45 top 16.
Yeah.
Which is the issue there, we should know.
Yeah, unforeseen circumstances.
Unforeseen circumstances.
Hey,
Asazukuthi izodlala
Or
anyeke idlale.
whether is it postponed or cancelled.
You understand?
Okay.
So mangimuva ngithi kuwe Gino Human Rights Day tournament. Oh,
So wait, songena ngesodra manje.
ngena ngesodra
Okay,
manje.
okay.
So izodlala from E21.
Okay.
Not sure if it's the top 32
Okay.
or top 16.
Okay.
The format will be yet to be confirmed on the second week, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, March.
Okay.
Away 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uthi sithi uBrathu ayifakazile. Ithi iva Human Rights Day Gino Community Games.
Yeah, iva ngoba nami ngibona post la egroupini.
Sharp. Okay. Likutlwetse balatedi ba tshetsi ba bohudi pushi tsama le bona.
JD Dlala.
Tsama le bona.
Nithi kuwe
Tsama le bona.
ngifuna ama predictions wakathothi regarding Elas 4 ka Disco Games.
Okay.
Simnandi Sashisa
Okay.
versus iBayern or
Uyampress.
Ibeke.
Uyampress. Okay.
Yamthola.
Aqalera.
Yeah, akaqale la.
Tothi ba check predictions the Roman Empire. Simnandi Siyashisa up against Beke or Bayern.
Yeah.
Mani simnandi siyashisa.
Zwele pushi Simnandi Siyashisa ungafuna ukuyikhuthaza noma sambe push.
Asamba.
Sharp athi ngingakupraise yayi ungane wakho manje. Ngizokubuza why mina why uthi Simnandi but it's cool feel push hamba nawo.
Okay, ngicela nama predictions we Shawela Davi, Tricky Boys up against Mudagasi Tembisa World Cup eKanana.
Yeah, twithiza sekas lakho leza awuyifakazile.
Aish. Eza sekaslamo vdasi Tricky Boys.
Yeah,
Imdagasi kunamajita vela uma ipintshi zami zidlala kala.
sharp.
Maka mina ngithi la game izophela ama penalty.
Okay, izophela ama penalty.
Ngai Tricky Boys ama penalty.
Okay, zwele. Push can I add something la?
Energy.
Uyakhumbula when the Shawela top 4 isonke ngala.
Yeah.
Yeah, Theatre of Dreams one start 2 grounds. Okhopole push I think it was River Park up against Mbizo and then it was Tricky Boys up against Mudagasi. Khopole Tricky Boys ifenze Mudagasi won the match through the penalties. Yakhutla khape yadlala makhawula khan the finale with Mbizo.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken,
Yeah.
Totujiwe ke Mbizo. So Tricky Boys ejele Rabi khape push.
Hey,
Ka Mudagasi le ka Mbizo.
Hey JD.
Hey Thothi. Hey ziyabuya mngani wakho bahamba nabo push.
JD Dlala on the closing ne.
Yeah.
Ngifuna uThothi angitshele.
Yeah.
How does it feel ukuba crowd puller?
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Phela when there's Thothi Macheke.
Ngiyadonoza.
Ayi,
I-festival yamadoda
ayi,
akulaleli.
ayi.
Yo,
Isitimela samampondo. Yo.
bamnani bayipush pull.
Yo.
Skurash.
How does it feel ukuba crowd puller? How does it feel ukuba king of Rome?
Yeah, okay.
How does it feel ukuba king of Shawela?
Okay.
In terms of I now uyazi ka webe study uyabona nawe.
Uyampressa.
Now uyabona mfethu. Awuyabona
Ayampressa
ngendono mfethu.
How does it feel to be a big player lo muntu basically baba wami? How does it feel to be Totti the Roman Empire, the King of Kings, uDela Kufa, El Cappuccino? How does it feel? Hey lo muntu uyakhohlwa uyapressa. Uyapressa lo muntu.
Eish. Mina ngifila grand eish. Mara sometimes nokuthi ngingangeni egroundini. Eish. Ngikhalisa uyibhala.
Ibhaya le crowd. Ayithusi wena kawo.
Nokuthuka nje.
Nami nokungithusa kawo.
Nokuthuka mfethu. Kuthi yo, vele abantu labo bazele mina uThothi.
Hey,
Mara obvious. Mina sidlala idisk.
yeah, at the end of the day.
Ngithola
Yeah.
sakhuthazana amajita ka siyeni bafethu.
Yeah.
Singena yaze River Park yaza abantu abangena River Park
Yo,
bayashana.
vele kuqhwale kawo.
Lapho isaqala igame. Ukuthuka uvela kuvala. Vela nginyathela.
Ayi.
Thithi mache.
Yazi. Kwaza ngedo.
Ayi. Yeah, push it. I think it's because another thing they have a good support structure amafela. Ukubabona before baceda ukuthandaza, akabaceda khorapela. They go straight to the fence. Lemelisang push ga ke qetella ke le shawela. I was with ke ntata mango nje and tata ke ntata mang man. Are yile nto sathane yile.
Ubaba kaMashabulile.
Ubaba yile manje lapha emafenini maniphakamisa mina I know is as a rock star something. Manje inoku rock star. Yile Totti why imsebenzisa le manhuntana le wenzi.
Sponsor the sign.
Yeah.
Obviously sign the cala ngomunye umjita oseCastate obvious uStazini.
Sharp.
Une-brand inyana.
Ebutsotsini nani?
Isowethi ebutsotsini.
Yeah.
Obviously inokushaya isandla kanje.
Okay.
Phansi isibhale isowethi ebutsotsini.
Ebutsotsini.
Maye vele yangena ku-River Park mase sihunta ama-fan wethu sivela
Ebutsotsini. Awuyeba.
Qale lapho.
Basically push basend location labantu ukuthi thina sibe ebutsotsini.
011.
Uyangithola shawela 1818.
Uyangithola.
Okay, asebayisendile address ngokuphakamisa nje. Ke push itsamali bona.
JT Dlala.
Yeah.
So last question nje siyayivala yabo
Yeah.
in terms of River Park. Yeah, understand. So Totti Macheke. Ay man, do you prefer a river yabantu abamnyama kuphela or a river enama colored?
Athi oh
Yeah, I understand JT.
Hey,
Do you prefer this River Park engena Jonoski, Messi, or do you prefer a River Park edlala ngabo Black Cat? Singisho abantu abamnyama kungena colored.
hey,
I understand. Kungena collab ye colored.
khala tuntomnyama.
Yeah, umuntu omnyama ne.
Sonke sibanyama.
No,
Nyama
ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uThothi
Yeah.
usticker to the philosophy when he's playing with this
Okay.
particular people
Ngiyathola baba.
and then if mangidlala nalabantu ngidlale direct.
Okay.
So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uTotti Macheke kuba uTotti Macheke makadlala namakhaladi akhona
Yeah.
or kuba uTotti Macheke makadlala namashangani kuphela kuyisitimela samashangani straight.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand.
Awuzweli
Yeah,
uzophendula
yeah.
baba wami.
Kimi kuyafana mfethu.
Into yo-
Wangekho amakhaladi ngiyazi mawuphethile izizami soyenza nanoma khona amakhaladi
Niyayenza.
ngiyacaba ukuthi siyayenza
Kanjani?
akusasa amakhaladi sekamashangana
Ayi. Akawuzwela mfethu.
Akakusasa amakhaladi sewamashangana. Marcel Jonoski sewishangana.
Messi Ngarabesi.
Sewishangana Kheswele yezwe.
Yes,
Yanoshangana. Okay, busocedile.
JT Dlala ngiyaphuma kule khona yama gig guide and tournament fixtures.
Okay.
Ngena kuwe ke manje ke getting deep manje.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Manje we getting deep.
Sihamba manje.
Manje siyahamba.
Yeah.
Down the line with the TKC.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe there. Obviously, remember we are dropping the episode under Exquisite Swag.
Ayi.
How YouTube will obviously type down the line with the TKC.
Aye.
Hit the subscription
Aye.
button.
Aye.
Pole like, comment. Sugar spice and everything nice. That was Pushy Pesh with the fixture alert, gig guides and results. Yeah, and he drafted some questions for Udela Futot in Yamona Begafuno press. Okay, zip is a press. So I'm just preparing. You can't go to a gunfight with ngimese push ngizana
leyo impi yamampela leyo.
So now you are about to begin that exclusive interview Delago for Toti Yangithola Pushy Pheshe. We drafted some questions Yangithola for him specifically Yangithola Push. So we call this stage of the podcast the icebreaker. Yeah, Yangithola Push. So besimhlohla ngimbuzo Push and then he responds. Simple
questions.
Icebreaker questions. The first question Delago. I guess what inspired you to pursue a career as a soccer player? What inspired you to udlala idiski baba wami? Yeah.
I'm fun. First question.
Manje siyapressa.
I don't care ukuthi ngidlala idiski yani.
Yeah.
Inhleke ezibhali ezikhulu nazo. Like mangifika high school uyasazi mawufika high school khana ubona.
Yeah, bonisa.
Mangibheka izibhali. Ayizabhema. Amanye yabona that leyo bhema ama drugs ayikho crime.
Va.
Fedi diski ngidlala mara ngekho ngithola ngidlala kuphela. Ngidlala ngiliyeka. Ngivale nalezange yabona ukuthi hayi impilo le obvious mawublomi one uzuzicabanga. Ngabona ukuthi hayi impilo le ayikho crime. Thing choosing thing is that the disk imphume intweni ezibhaka avela aqala lapho idisk ngidlalela idisk
hayi angikarabile mnandi that was powerful babu.
Yeah JD because now thina sifisa inkinga yama drugs yamthola yeah because lot of soccer players yakhumbula last time we went to Etwat sivana a soccer player yenza we understand
the second question this moment is called an icebreaker. Yeah. What are your strengths and your weaknesses? You can name any two as a player. Siphi strength sakho your weakness yakho. Yeah, that one I think is simple. One strength, one weakness. Yeah. As a player, strength sakho, your weakness.
Mina strength sami obvious mangiphethe ibhola. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi awukho simple ukuthi ngaloza la enyaweni zami.
Sharp.
Angithokazi scoff pass outside
why? Yeah.
Weakness yami ayabuyela. I want to get
okay.
Uyasaba enangaze ngikubone kawida.
Uyasaba.
Ayangaze ngimbone ubacheka yida.
Lo bangiyida mfiti teacher. I since from that.
Awusakhobu.
I think yasaba. Amagama yala masingise finalist
Isibhekane nemali. No, ngiyangena la. Ikuhlezi pusher his strength screw pass. Yeah, it's very bolo. It's very difficult. Yeah, I can reassure you that because I push is uthatha khoro make motho cause nino na lolo yakwa obethaka le dolo la tsipa wa tsipa o sa priste ka console mo maka screw pass outside to stick afero mo black cat wa kitinyo ka they play very quick transitional football Sklopha sa River Park. Okay, are utsaba wait. Okay. How do you handle the pressure of playing in big games? Yeah. Finally, yeah. Similar to that question, we manager a big play. But this one it says, how do you handle the pressure if you don't make a final? One shot. Some soccer players would tell you, just put on snooze. Yeah, commentary booth. If the pressure is too much for me to handle, I snooze. Maybe put on some vein or Cyperi. Okay, so when what comes you down, how do you prepare for a final?
I thought I'm preparing. We have 30 phone.
Yeah.
Instead, GP gangster.
Aye.
Miss spaghetti snooze.
Yeah.
I'm Bamnand.
We am very
relaxed.
You are relaxed.
Bamnand.
Simple, like any other soccer player push when they try the headset. Yeah, if you snooze it, you put on some snooze, you prepare yourself. Yeah, okay. How do you stay in shape, Baba Wami, as an athlete, in terms of fitness, guys, especially when it's off season? Should imagine off season as gym, I'm a team value. How do you keep fit wena baba wami?
Obviously mina la ngiphuma khona ama-ground ethu. Ngivuka ekuseni ngigijima egrawundini.
Yeah.
Nini ngishaye i-cornwork.
Sha.
Yito obviously kuney'ntwananyana i-custom ezijimayo.
Sha.
Ngangena ngijime nazo.
Okay.
Kuba mnandi njalo.
Simple push one. So as a soccer player, it starts with you. Yeah,
ufuna wena usitshele.
Sitshele. Yeah, now ngeke umele ucoach. If wena umele ucoach usenkingeni. Awusenkingeni. Another question. Yeah, this one is interesting. If you were allowed to add one ridiculous rule to football, if you were allowed to create a rule, can be kasi football amateur professional. Fake rule yakho wena ezuthothi bacheke. Ezobalika ungafaka. Mina ngicabangile, mina umtshelele into engicabangile. Mina umtshelele into engicabangile baba. Ungatshentshani irule yakho eyi-1 bathi thothi faka irule yakho
samba umthetho eyi-1 yediskini ukuthi mhlawumbe ungakora ngesandla.
Yeah, something like that. Ungatshentshani.
Penalty ayisadlali ke. Okay, hayi no more free kick yangithola. Yeah, ibhola manje kushayile eboxini akusase ipenalty, you understand? Lento leyo ukuthi contact in the box when you are cancel esithuthi macheke. Uphi umthetho wena obona ukuthi awukho manje ediskini ekubeni wena ungawufaka ediskini?
Simple.
Ongafuneki ediskini. Ngafakani?
Yeah. Yonke into wrong right. Engafuneki.
Umthetho ungawufaka. Ungafuni idiskini ane. Eish. Abazokukhawaza. Abazokulimaza.
Hambana.
Yasibona le studies ukuthi bengisinanya ngisaseyintwana.
Yeah.
Lesho ukuthi ubamba idiski ufaka yeskipa.
Ngeskipa ko.
Ufaka ekhaya.
Yo.
Mahambe nana.
Ukishaya. Ngafaka le. Makangeke wesibhu. Makasaseyintwana madla challenge.
Yeah, uzobacheka nje.
Ufaka ekhaya.
Athi ufaka nomthetho. Ebhola. Makafike letinathi. Alkhathele ngene back goal.
Yo, lokutela bengicabangile like some sort of a showboating or something. It's part of showboating ukufaka ngayo so you keep it ngayifaka ngayo most besha ama freestylers and so okay so what's the funniest thing a fan has ever shouted you at during the game? Shoot his swing. What's the funniest thing esibesa kushika ngayo iswing ngaphandle nongaphakathi? The funniest thing.
Any time I die for one is that.
Like dinner the time I have born. Wavele wachinja mood. Yeah, Latin.
The pollen for me, the drawing obvious, made a positive. Yes, the time I end the sadly. Yes, one in Kunda. Possible. The time I long talk. Jela, time of pay. Dalagan young too. Kawan, you must say Muktuga Becky.
And keep it in my time.
En dan wat ik cover die thema die ja de grond dat grain from daar met een lang satchai sana na en kawatina na sikimi maka satkana sai wini okay penalty goal sa wini ma penalty
alagash simple babuhudi listeners fans iwingo anyengele ukuthukana nama-player especially ase-ground uyamkhipha lo muntu concentrated yabo and uyala ngebhola and udinga ibhola ukuthi akora so asisibambeni ngithola push. Okay, moving right along. Sengiyaceda manje ungasabi baba wami. Sisiyaceda manje. Yeah. What's the craziest thing have you ever seen in a dressing room? Kusho wabona umhlolo e-dressing room. Uphi lo mhlolo bewabona ngigcoka? Umhlolo emiracle into zabantu.
Ngoba uyazi ediskini awuthami. Hey.
Kimuhlolo.
Hey, ubona umhlolo ngomhlolo.
Zabantu. A miracle you've seen in a dressing room.
Angena umhlolo. Aish. Something mfethu wakutshela ukuthi ayifandag awushaya ikosi lakho yena ngaphansi shaya ikosi lithini kuphela
Hey.
ngithola and obviously suka bathele something
Hey wena.
engithina sijwayele ukufaka ikazi lami ngaphambi
Yeah.
after ngifake i-team
Elithi phezulu.
chairman athi hey ngiyawagcoka la masokisi uwin aside angabona umhlolo laphaya
Manje yanisebenzela. Nawe
asifonela hey angithembanga
awubongatheni na. Mayasifana.
yasipana
So can you
maka after game ayakhathala
Yeah.
ngayidela
bawukwalethi isigubu.
hayi ke ngayidela
Ya batswaletse kharalo o tlolo bushe. Ya o tsebe khosetse khole maso ntja isetse thoma ijanjanya. Okay. Last two questions. During the national anthem, Baba Wami, maybe you are playing a final, Chino Communities games or whatever, Baba Wami. During the national anthem, before the final, do you really sing it? Or you just hum? Oh, yeah, it's very the national anthem. Yazi sushayina le nto ya. Uyayicula vele.
anginokuyicula sometimes
Oh, mawifika le wini uyayicula.
nokuyicula
Oh,
maka
okay.
sometimes nokubheka useshi angithi angazi useshi mayifika lapha ku-afrikaans
Etaliwonga.
udaliwonke ichaza la ichaza la
Awutaliwonga madoda.
Awuzwele nami ayifika ku-Afrikaans ngiyahama. Ngoba khona le part olu he ngathi khame he per ay wa push.
Yeah.
So how many finals? Yeah, you can play, Baba Wami. It's fine. How many finals have you played? Yeah. Since from Corona, should say from 2020 till now, if Mawucabanga, yeah, estimate how many finals have you played within the past 5 years? I think, and from 2020 to 2025, yeah, in 5 years.
mawuthi final uyabala nalama
Wonke.
Wonke.
More estimate nje.
hayi ngabe ngidlale ma 15
15 finals.
yeah
Ni River Park or
nge-River Park
Phela.
yeah nge-River Park
You know, Toti khona enye into ka. Lo Toti Francisco wase AS Roma. Yazi ufana nawe ngani? Do you know like yini into oyenza ukuthi ube uToti ngathi uFrancisco vele? Uyazi?
yalithi
Le yakho since idlalele AS Roma. Ayikaze yaswitcha. That's the thing bengokubuza na ukuthi wonke lama final uwadlale ngeRiver Park. That's the push uke wabona uToti ahamba nabanye abantu maybe bamshaya ngecollab or something.
Hayi angazi uthiyami. uToti. Mina uToti ngimazi ngestimela kuphela JD.
Nesitimela kuphela ne.
Yeah, kuligi ngazi JBM, you
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah, so this nigga is very loyal.
Yeah, and then
Isoja kaChino.
for iGhana CV, ne?
Yeah, bekuyileague.
The league, you
ya
understand?
Ghana.
On tournaments, haven't seen him upon the River Park. He always played for his team.
Yeah, that's the true definition of a Francisco Toti.
Toti.
The one who played for AS Roma. This one plays for River Park. They've never switched sides. Okay. Push.
Hey,
Angazi. Esne awabonisi. Ekheki ngifuna ebaba wami. Ngifuna la space bar. Awuyise we.
then go.
Danko. Yeah.
Hey,
Bayayibona sine. I just hope goodbye bona. It's a video clip from Chavo Graphics. We give credit to Chavo. Hey. Etoti. Yini yawino khambane. Labantu abamaki
hey,
bheka utrapha yenu.
yo.
Uyaswena nasi nesikhuluma ngaso. Ebaba wami before kusuka kwenzakalani makwenzakala lezi zinto. Bheka la uya signature ubhala phansi.
Hey,
Nyufade baba wami.
Aish. Labi singakawini. Bekusase not. Amanje yabona igame ake ibhoka nabantu ababukela. Ibhoka igame manje. Ithi ngisuse kayi1. Ngibona ukuthi ngiyazi mangisusa amajita wami ayabuya igamini.
Sha.
And ngapha ngiphethe ninja yami ka la side
sure
angavela ngayigibela
Hey,
ngavela suka kanjalo
Hey.
yeah
and sayawina 2-1 the game le
yeah against Villa Masela ne
yeah
yeah so ngifuna ungitshele ka to la scouters and sponsors sorry ama scouter or ama team manager they see this video ne bayakusayina ne and then mabaceda ukusayina manje babe bakukele video so dlala league bathi we don't want this thing. This is showboating. Ithi ngiyenze ngoTito Masangwane. Ithi ngigaya another reference ngo-OB Vilakazi. Yangithola bamsayine babona ukuthi this one i-crowd puller uyaligibela everything ngithola. And then mabase wakusayina abasafuna uyigibela. Like what's your take on those scouters? Ngisayinele ngoba ngiyagibela ngiyaqapeta ngiphakamisa umuntu. Mawusungisayina ngitshela ukuthi ngikuyele lokho. What's your take on that one?
mina ngubona ngami mina ngamiyeka ayiringene into ukuthi ngingazigibeli ngithola ngidlale le bhola lifunayo maka maswina ngizogibela ukuthi yakwata akwati ukuphuma kuwe maka siyawina ngizomtshela ukuthi akhuchi siyawina ku-scout and fit siyawina ku-chairman uzongitshela kanjalo ngizomtshela kabantu ukuthi chairman maka
siyabile exactly okay okay nami okay Push, what's your take on that one?
Uyabona JT that in football there's time ukuthi lezinto lezi uyazidinga no matter what. You can be a coach udlala direct football ne. Kodwa lento leyo uyayidinga like lento leyo ikhuthaza ama-arm. You understand?
Okay.
Uthothi into ayenzayo i-distraction of the mass
destruction of mass movement.
Some sort of that. Kodwa iya-distract. 5 to 6 players yama opponent iyoba flat just because bacanga ukuthi uthothu uzolala.
Okay.
Uyashowboat ashaye pass forward pass. And you know River Park plays on transactional football. So if now udlala i-transactional football but le yakathothi that's when ke ungasayini player efana noThothi.
Okay, uyibeke kwazwakala. Thank you. Push it. Thank you. Thothi. Yabona sonke sigcoki wazini ngami. Utiba yini ngamina. Wazini ngami obviously we support local brands, local superheroes. Mina ngibiza superhero baba wami. Superheroes don't wear capes. They wear soccer boots baba wami. Uzobona noma siphuma if isikolo siphumile iyos you trend. But nevertheless it is yophuza amanzi and then after the half time break sesizoyifana nechamp.
On.
Sere khutlile mabedi wa ka from the ad breaks. Khopoleng kapaneng re tla be re setse re tswala mabedi wa ka. It's that time. Le nna le ke o ishanka be re na le metsotso e mentsi Pushy Pesh.
La kobela doba.
Ya ka setshangane nkare ifambile. Khopole totu o itse makhalate se ile machangane. Pushy le nna ke motswana ke setse ke le mochangane. Le wena mo tsulu setse o le changane nkare ifambile. Khopole ba ba ka re setse re tsena ka the last segment Pushy Pesh.
JT Dlala.
Yeah, khopole the segment. It's very simple. It's a quiz game. Tuthi ya mthola uthi ya. It's tit or tat. Yes or no. Red or blue. Uyangithola baba wami. So I give you two options, you choose one. Watatazela. Yabiza. Kushange card ngeke night. Okay, Push. Amshange ekuqala baba wami.
Okay, Toti Macheke.
Yeah.
Ama striker.
Sha.
Jomo Mukansi or Sakile Chabete.
Nawe baba.
Nkasi
With confidence, Jomo Mukasi. We close mabedi wa ka otsama le Moses AK47 Mukasi. Okay, number 2 Pushy. Amobutse ke ngenze.
Abo goalkeeper ne.
Yeah.
Spider Kayeye or Cheaper Tricky Boys.
ahamba ne-spider
Spider Kayeye. Okay. Pushy ereke mobutse.
Yeah.
Caswell Williams Messi or Marcel Gionoski.
lo ayithi ma-obvious awadlali
Upshata kalili.
ayithi mfana maka abadlali position eyi-one
Uprefer kabani wena
Yes or no? Red or
bani mawubhekile?
tit or tat?
Shoot okay, yile nto bengiyisho la ukuthi ufila bani kawo like
no ukuthi ukufila, don't make it that personal.
Like personal,
yeah.
ne?
It's either red or blue.
Yeah.
Now ungayicabanga baba wami ngoba wayicabanga.
Yeah.
Iyoyenza impika abadala. Red or blue? Caswell Williams Messi or Marcel Jonoski?
Jonoski.
Abokhalata abamashangana. Marcel Jonoski is push it amale. Skamotlokhel.
Aniyeke. Midfielders. Chin Pula Gam or a surprise long one?
Why is still my cope?
Why you steal my call?
Surprise long one.
Surprise long one it is.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a negative winner push.
Yeah.
Lorenzo from 80 members. Oh. PlayStation to Mishawala.
Angvano
Lorenzo, the Brazilian. Yo, aliya kora aliya. Yo aliya. Lali pole ase Brazil. Yo, push it amale.
Okay, emuva center backs. Will you go for Usupa or Runzimbi?
Okay, Nzimbi.
How does Nzimbi?
Okay. What's about why push?
Why?
Umuchuzetsa bahigh. That's why I choose a high. How can you high?
Okay.
But then you bale babili ba.
Okay.
Yeah. Stress.
Stress.
Yeah, scam correl.
Stress.
Stress.
I think stress again. Left backs, ne?
Hey.
Kimmich or OBK Akanji.
Yeah, we am stressed.
Stress.
We are stressed.
I can't.
Okay, Akanji is the original Zambak Makoya OBK.
I'm sure you'll play that again.
Okay, re ke mo botse ya mafelelo. Ke batle be thatanyana. Let me go for the midfielders. Yeah. Kila Mapoto or ke bofelelo. Kila Mapoto or Mtsiritso.
Kila. Kalama bota, kalama.
Mona Tempulai.
Kila.
Kila Mpulai. Ay, kita bokhetse pushi phesha.
JT da.
Ay, kita bokhele Totti Macheke, le bokheka fala exquisite swag. Obviously down the line with the TKC.
#Telamlungu.
That was our first of many episodes.
Yeah, sasikuningi okuzayo.
Come is coming.
Sasikuningi okuzayo.
Le tla khobotsa ka re kha o tlhasela jwalo ka tao. Boyo kokobele jwalo ka di.
Go
ba tsietsi di tlhakga mabaka fokolo.
Oh,
Le tla khobotsa ka re ntjanyana. Ba mo batla Totti pushi o ya training o khopole. Ke dila le batho ba mamaka o ya training o utlwa ge. Ke setse ke itswala mabedi wa ka kharetsa tjena down the line with the TKC. Hit the subscription button.
oh,
How about like exquisite swag?
Oh.
And then you search down the line with the killer call.
Oh.
Simple mathematics. Push it any last words.
uyabona JT tlatla ngithi kuningi okuzayo.
Something is coming.
Kuningi okuzayo.
Yeah, usobanelelise di gig guide kuningi okuzayo.
Uyabona wena JT tlatla abafake ama comment wabo ukuthi bangahalela ukubona bani in studio with us.
Yeah.
Uyayibona.
Basikare basile kan.
We I understand. Lento akusethu.
Yeah.
Akuseya kamjekejeke.
Yeah.
Akuseya ka snitch. Akuseya ka JT no push.
Yeah.
Akuseya ka Totti Macheke. Mare yenu.
Umphakathi.
Danko.
Kopole in closing the TKC down the line. The first episode with Totti Macheke Pushi. This nigga is huge.
Yeah.
This nigga is big.
You.
Yeah, this nigga is international.
Aye.
Tembisa Gomora.
West Rand. Yes.
One last question. Are you also going to Shaka?
It's
Vale. Okay. Nalwena ratlaklakana kape in the next episode. Down the line with the TKC. Don't forget #Telamlu.
Oh.
Don't forget to hit that subscription button.
Yo.
Ngibona arabadi phone oya musebetsi.
Ayi.
Sebenza umsebenzi.
Oh.
Sebenza umsebenzi. Sebenza umsebenzi. Sebenza umsebenzi. Push it back.
JT tlatla mina ngithi kuwe wozobona down the line like Deshi Park Tower with the TKC the killer combo izinje ezivula ifridge ngomsila sokuya sidla cheese ngenkani. Uyabona mina mangivula imbobo wena udla cheese ngenkani sengisho yo tshontsha istoko.
Kopo le Pushy motho a ka no re ke ditwe.
Oh,
Ke makhono.
oh,
Amarot.
oh.
TKC.
Oh.
Le double trouble.
Angithi thina sile alpirimisi
Ke
ibhodle.
tseletsengane tsa o sokodisa.
Kitsenyane tsa uqeda petrol.
Ya tseletsengane tsa o ba stone to Pushy Pesh.
Angithi mina mangibabuka ngidinga ama gigabyte amathela. Oh,
Pushy Pesh.
asivale JT Dladla.
From me to you to Toti Machek and everybody, Kanabo Kabakol,
Down the
with the
line.
TKC.
Thela mlungu.
Kanabo Kaditebeta Lona and everything. Toti, any last words, Mama? Any last words? It can be anything. I go tell you. Last words.
Mina nguke ngama ningafiki.
Sharp.
Ngifuna ukunibona niphumelele
Sharp.
noma nganibona ku PSL committee ngoba umthetho manje besaphela isikhathi sabo.
Aish.
Angifisela intando abafiki.
Ayisiyabonga baba.
Sure.
Zandla zilula ekhanda. Kitebukele mabedi waka from the Toti, the El Capacino, the King of Rome, Jay-Z number 6 from River Park. If you don't know him, you can go stream the videos, whether it is Keycast, whether in Chavo Graphics, Fresh on Snaps. I'm out here giving shout-outs now. Shout-outs in Cheguja.
Socials.
Yeah. Abaniyeze. Your TikTok handle, everything.
TikTok,
Yeah.
Toti Machek, Facebook, Toti Machek, ngizomthola ku Instagram.
Toti Machek,
Ku Instagram King of Rome.
the King of Rome.
Sure.
Kula ukhipha isikolo khona ku Instagram.
The King of Rome. We could say Facebook, Toti Machek. TikTok,
Toti
Toti
Machek.
Machek. Instagram,
King of
the
Rome.
King of Rome.
Sure.
Ikutlwe se he mabedi wa ka. Ka rona Instagram Pushy Pesh, JT Dladla.
Oh,
Facebook le hlokgonolo Malkhas.
le sego Master Phiphetwe.
TikTok,
Pushy Passion.
or else you can just go to Exquisite Swag and
Oh.
stream the episode.
Danko.
Re a leboga kgaretsa tjena. Thank you for lending me your ears, your eyes,
Ai.
and everything.
Oh,
Ne se ka botlhale bakho kapa matlaka. Ne le ka mohao. Officially signing out the TKC, the first episode down the line. Issue Nanzo. What's up?